Hey YouTube, Sam here. I got a little bit of a demolition tip and trick, I guess you could say. Lots of people, once again, as with most of my tips and tricks, know about these things. But if you don't, it might help you out. I'm back up on the bathroom here, upstairs bathroom, and I need to get rid of this flooring. And quite honestly, I'm trying to keep this toilet as long as I can, because it's the only one we have up here. And so to get this out of here without removing the toilet, or if you need to remove a section of flooring that you're just replacing a certain section, this is a little tip you can use to make sure you don't cut too deep, but you get deep enough. And I tend to put it all the way down flat and then lift it just a smidge, because you never know what's underneath here. If there might be a nail that's sticking up a little bit, or you know, you don't want to cut into the floor, because this is an upstairs floor. You cut into this and weaken it, you're probably going to have problems down the road. And this is where I say, if you do something I do and you harm yourself or your personal property, I'm not responsible. If you don't like the way I'm doing it, don't do it. Anyhow, beyond that, that pretty much sets me up to where I should be able to run this right on the top of the floor here, all the way across here, right in front of the toilet, as close as I can, and be able to fill up this floor. Not to mention, if you have a very large area where there's linoleum and things like I have here, which this isn't a large area, but it can be heavy and difficult to get out, so you're going to want to cut it in sections to get it out as it is anyway, probably. I just got the crappy original blade that came with this thing, and actually it's not a horrible blade. I wouldn't say it cuts the straightest of lines. I think it does flex a bit, but anyways, for demolition it works great. I don't care if I hit a nail or two, because you're going to probably hit a nail or two. This linoleum kind of stinks, so you might want to make sure you're in a well ventilated area, and it also will probably gum up the blade somewhat, so thought I just should throw that in there. There's a little tip. This is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.